Hey everybody, so in this video here I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase a coin on Binance. So for you to be able to do this, you need to be logged into your Binance account. Also, you need to be holding BTC or USDT. So we're going to hover right over wallet here. We're going to click on fiat and spot. For this video's sake, we're going to be using USDT. So let's just say, for instance, you want to purchase a coin. For this video's purpose, we're going to be using Reef. We'll type Reef, and as you type Reef, you'll see Reef will show up right here, and then we'll go to trade, and then we'll go Reef USDT. So meaning that we want to buy Reef with USDT. Once we click on that, it's going to direct us to the trading platform. Right here, we're going to be looking at the market depth. So this being the bid and this being the ask, the chart, and the time and sales. So there are two order types, how you could buy or sell on regular Binance. The first one being limit and the second one being market. So let's just say, for instance, that we want to buy Reef at a price of 0.034587. So what we would do, we'll be on limit. We'll put in the number that we want to buy it at. And then also, we'll put the amount. So you could either do it in increments, the increments of the USDT holding that you have. You could do 25%, you could do 50%, or you could even do any amount that you want. So let's just say, for instance, we'll go 25%. That'll be 7,853 Reef at this particular price. And then we'll click on buy Reef. So limit order, buy order created. Once you create a limit buy order, you'll be in your open orders. So Reef USDT limit buy 0.034606. That is the price that we want to purchase it at, and the amount will be getting 7,853 Reef at this particular price. So once this coin reaches that price, your amount will get filled. And then if you want to cancel that order, it's just easy as canceling it. So also, let's just say, for instance, that you want to buy it at this particular price right now, at the price that it's at right now. So that what we'll be doing a market order. So that will fill automatically. So you'll be getting filled at the ask. So the next best ask right here, you'll be getting filled at. So let's just say, for instance, that we want to buy $15 worth. And then we'll click buy Reef. Market buy order filled. So the amount has to be over $10 and over. So we're not going to see this on our open orders because it's not an open order no more. So if you want to see what price you got filled at, you would click on order history, and then you will see Reef USDT market buy 0.036856 is the price that we got filled at, and it executed us for 406 Reef. So if you want to see where your Reef is, you'll hover over wallet, we'll go to fiat and spot, and then we'll scroll down and we'll see that we're currently holding Reef. And let's just say, for instance, that you want to sell your Reef. So we'll be going to Reef right here, we'll go to trade USDT. So just like buying it either at a limit or a market, you could sell it either at a limit or a market. Let's just say, for instance, that we want to sell Reef at a price of 0.039289. So what we would do here will be under limit. We'll type in the price that we want to sell it at. We'll just put 0.039045, and then 100% of the Reef. So meaning that 100% of the Reef that we're holding, 406 Reef, that we want to sell it at this price, and then we'll click on sell Reef. As you see on your open orders, that it will show Reef USDT limit sell 0.039 at 406 quantity. So that means when the price reaches 0.03045 that your Reef order will execute, will sell at that price. So for instance, let's just say that we want to sell 100% of our Reef. So what we would do here, that we would click at 100% at market price, and we'll click sell Reef. market sell order filled. So right now, once we go back to our wallet, fiat and spot, we'll notice that we're not holding Reef no more, and the price that we sold it at will be converted to USDT. So that's how you buy and sell on Binance with a market and a limit order. Alright guys, thank you very much. Have a great day.